Choosing planting materials. Choosing between seed nuts and seedlings. There are two options in the choice of coconut planting materials. Seed nut. Cheaper, easily transportable, easy to handle. Ensure quality of seedling by overseeing growth from seed nut. Ensure seed nuts are insect, pest, and disease-free. Seedling. Eliminate the need for nursery. Lower maintenance cost. Less waiting period from germination to seedling establishment. Better able to adjust planting schedule by buying the planting materials during the right season. Choose only accredited or certified coconut seed nut or seedling suppliers. A list of accredited suppliers can be found at the local or national offices of the Philippine Coconut Authority. You can also find out if your supplier has any of the following accreditations. Philippine Coconut Authority, National Seed Industry Council, accredited hybrid producing private and public institutions. For seed nuts, make sure to allow for a placement of about 20% of your total planting material due to mortality, non-germination, and rejection or culling for purity and quality.